Great, so now I've got this cool chart, but how on earth do I get this bad boy into my Google site right here? Well, there's a handy way to be able to do that. The first thing that I want to do is I want to take this little page here and I want to make sure that this chart shows up on its own page. And to do that, I'm going to click right here where it says Chart 2, and I'm going to choose down here at the bottom, Move to its own sheet. And what that's going to do is it's going to drop right down here in the bottom this chart in as its own page. So I can see that here's my data, my raw data, and here is my chart. Great. Now to be able to put this into my Google site, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to my Google site and I'm going to click on Edit Page. And then I'm going to scroll to where I want that chart to go. In this case, I want to put it right here, and I want to put a space at the top and the bottom of it. Then I'm going to click right here on Insert, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says Spreadsheet, and I'm going to select from my list here the spreadsheet that I want to insert. And you'll notice right here it's called Fair Trade Chart. So right there, Fair Trade Chart, I'm going to click on that and click Select. And what I want to do is I want to clear out any measurements here, because this will make sure that it goes in at its full size. So then I'm going to click Save, and ta-da, there's my chart. Now all I'm seeing is this kind of placeholder for my chart, so I'm not actually going to see that until I actually click the Save button, and then I should actually see the chart show up. Now what's happening here is that what's showing up right here for us inside of our Google site is the very first page in our chart. Now I want the very first thing that people see when they come to this page right here is I want them to see my chart. I don't want them to just see the raw data. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually click right here on where it says Chart, and I'm going to move this page to the left. And this puts it right here in front of my data. So then when I come back to my Google page here, if I refresh the page, what I should see is I should see that that chart has moved, lo and behold, right here to the very front of the whole thing. So this is great. This way, this is the very first thing that people see. If they're interested, they can click on Sheet 1 that will take them to the data, and it flows all the way around all of my other information here on this page.